Hey guys, this is Corsi and this is the Blood and Water Season 3 Acting Challenge. I'm red, you're blue. Let's go. How did they find you guys? You were in police custody. Someone on the inside tipped them off. Well, did your mom say something about my mom? So all this time during counseling, she just sat there listening to me go on and on, but the whole time she knew I was kidnapped. Yay, well done. Don't forget to tag Netflix Essay with your duet, and don't forget to watch Blood and Water Season 3, now streaming.